Year 3 living at this house, and look at how the garden has transformed. We're getting ubers of rain due to Hurricane Harvey, the tropical storm hitting Texas. You can't see the rain in here, but it's... Here's our banana tree. This banana tree is about a year old. It started off with just one stalk, now it has about 5. And I believe next year it's gonna look real good. Just avocados. Here, that symbolizes me and Mark. To the right is our mango tree. To the left, that big one, that's Mark's avocado tree. The avocado is about 4 to 5 years old. My mango tree is about 3 years old. But I kept this mango in the house and we just brought it out yesterday. So, Mark's pride and my pride. Okay, and you see that tall tree is 3 of them now in the back. It's looking good. And yeah, this camera can't really see what our eyes can see. And so, I can look at this all day, really. Taro tree. Everything behind it is dead. My guava. Okay, there it is. Show you dragon fruit.